Maitoa, kylmää tai lämmintä. Pehmin mikrossa. Lisä 3-4 kukkuraista. Teelusikallista ovoita. Anna jauheet laskeutua. Sekoita ja juo kakaojuoma jauhe. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Kakaojuoma jauhe. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Kakaojuoma jauhe. Liukenee helposti sekä kylmään että lämpimään maitoon, oh boy. Kakaojuoma jauhe.
Hey, you fellows, you know where Finland lies. We do. Up north, and you know, there are many good things coming from Finland, like beer. Then again, there's only one good thing coming from Sweden.
And you know what that is?
That's Oh Boy.
That's Oh Boy.
It's not me.
The best hot chocolate powder in the whole wide world.
Please buy it.
Buy it.
Oh boy.